How to delete Uber account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Uber account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to delete your Uber account, all you have to do is first of all launch the Uber or the Uber Eats app. You can delete your account from both of those apps. Then under both of those apps you'll find the option called account, and once you go to account, of course you'll find help, so just make sure to tap the help tab over here. Then go to the option called account and tap on it, and under account you'll find all these sorts of information, right? So here you can just go to account settings. Under account settings you'll find an option that says delete my Uber account. So just tap on delete my Uber account, and here you can see delete your account from the app or delete your account on the web. So instead what you can do is you can just tap on delete my Uber account button from here, which will take you to this link. It will open up in a browser, and on your browser you have to just sign in with your Uber account again. Then after you sign in with that, you just tap the continue option to sign in, and after you do that it will verify. Then it will ask you for a confirmation if you'd like to delete. So it will say me the following profile will get deleted: the Uber rider, the Uber Eats, and the Uber driver. These three accounts will get deleted from me, so I can just tap the continue button here, and then I can proceed to delete my account. This way I can delete my Uber account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.